Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can create calculator in Python. It is a very simple to make it. First we will name our trinket as calculator. And change the font from small to big, and in this trinket we will not add hashtag exclamation mark /bin /python3. We will directly add the code. Operation equals input brackets, and the input is coming. Now we will add in the brackets apostrophe, and in the apostrophe operation. And we will here use if operation equals plus, add plus in apostrophe and then colons, enter num1 equals input in the input brackets, in the brackets apostrophe, in the apostrophe enter first number, and then copy this line. On the next line paste it and set num1 to num2 and enter second number, and now let's check. Plus 1 and second number to 1, nothing happens. Now print in the brackets apostrophe and result. Your result is, here we will add num1 plus num2. Now let's check, but do not add num1 and num2 in the apostrophe. And now let's check. Error. Now give a comma after apostrophe. Now let's check. Operation equals plus, first number 1, second number also 1. Your result is O. Now if I add here hashtag Python3, now still O. You can add this hashtag exclamation mark /bin /python3. Add it, but when the result is shown, there is shown 11, but my answer should be 2. So add here integer int and num, and before integer a plus num1 and integer brackets num2. Now let's check again. Now operation plus 1 plus 1, your result is true, 2. Now but a safer side, do not add, leave it. Now if I add here 123 plus 7, 130, correct. Now copy this statement, Control C on the next, leave 2 lines and then write if, paste it, and before if else if operation equals minus change the second plus to minus in the print. Now let's check for the minus one. Operation minus, first number 36, second number 33, answer should be 3 and it is correct. Now we can copy this if else statement and again paste it on the another line and change from minus to multiply and change from the minus to multiply before int number 2. Now again if else, we will not add here else, we will add here if else and change from multiply signs to divide signs, and here we will add else print brackets apostrophe invalid number. So not invalid number, invalid only, or invalid enter. Now let's check, is it invalid working? If I do operation to 1, invalid enter. Now if I do multiply, your first number is 1, second number is 36, so your result is 36, but operation again multiply, first number to 2 multiplied by second number to 42, 84, your answer is correct. And operation to divide, first number 1, 2, 3 divided by 3, answer is 4.1, 0. Now let's check this one with the calculator. My calculator is here. 123 divided by 3, answer is 41 and 41 means correct. So our program is right. Now let's check how many lines do we need. Remove all the between lines or the between lines in the program. So we need list 20 lines. Only 20 lines we have done our calculator. But if you don't want calculator to appear it up, so you can do like here. I will control X this, operation equals input, that line. No, it will give them a problem. So you can do changes, but before to do changes, just click on your save to save your project and then copy it and then do the changes. And if your changes are right, then delete the first one and change the name from calculator copy to calculator only. So it will be your original calculator. So our project is done and bye bye.